Adele has announced that she will perform at the Brits next week, after facing a backlash for axing her Las Vegas shows. The Sun on Sunday revealed the singer had left Brits bosses scrambling to find a replacement for her after sparking fears she would drop out. 3. Adele has announced she will perform at the Brits after previously cancelling her appearance. 3. The singer was left distraught earlier this month after facing backlash for cancelling her Las Vegas shows. Now the star, 33, has confirmed she'll show up to the UK Music Awards, and her post also confirmed she will appear as a guest on the Graham Norton show. Adele, who is dating sports agent Rich Paul, said on Instagram tonight, "Hiya, so I'm really happy to say that I am performing at the Brits next week. And I'll also be popping into see Graham for a chat on the couch while I'm in town too. I'm looking forward to it. Oh, and Rich sends his love, heart." Her fans were blown away by the news, with one writing, "Yes Queen, X." One more begged, "International tour now." The tearful singer pulled the plug on her Las Vegas residency last week, less than 24 hours before her debut show. She cancelled her 24-date residency at Caesar's Palace, and reportedly spent days holed up at her boyfriend's home. Her team has since been thrashing out a deal with Live Nation and Caesar's Palace to salvage the $150 million residency, according to reports. Meanwhile, it will be Adele's first Brits gig in 5 years. She is up for 4 awards at the ceremony, which is taking place at London's O2 Arena, including Best Album and Best British Act. Little Mix are in the running again to win Best Band, but face fierce competition from Coldplay, D Block Europe, Wolf Alice, and London Grammar. Swedish supergroup ABBA have also made their return and have been nominated for Best International Band. Other international acts up for awards include Olivia Rodrigo, Taylor Swift, Lil Nas X and Billie Eilish. The Brit Awards have followed in the footsteps of the Grammys and MTV Awards to drop the gendered categories, which those major ceremonies did last decade. 3. The Sun on Sunday revealed Adele had left Brits organizers scrambling to find a replacement after she considered cancelling her appearance.